system copy and system refresh. These two are the regular activities in your production environment. Okay. So when you want to build a new system similar to production data, okay, we can use system copy method. System copy method, how we can perform a system copy, how we can perform a system refresh. System copy we can perform using export import method. Using export import method. Export import means what? How I can perform export import using SAP INST tool. Whenever we open SAP INST tool, we are selecting standard system, database Oracle or MS SQL, central system, correct? Did you remember that?
Yes.
So in same SAP INST tool, we have a option system copy. In that system copy, we have two options. One is source system, another one is target system. Okay, in same SAP INST tool. In system copy options, we have two methods, source system and target system. Okay. So first we will discuss about the what is system copy and what is a system refresh. Okay. System copy means if you want to build a new SAP system with similar of existing system. If you want to build a new SAP system with similar of with similar of existing system, then we can go for a system copy. What is meant by system refresh? You have an existing system, okay? You have an existing systems. Source is there, target is there. Now, I want take a copy of one system data into another system data. I want to take a copy of one system data into another system data. That is nothing but a system refresh. How I can perform a system refresh? Using backup restore methods. Using backup restore method. See here. This is my running system. This is my running system. Now my client requirement is he want to build a new system with copy of this system. Okay. This is new system. This is running system. So to perform, I want to take a copy of this system into a new system and I want to build here. This system should be built. So this I can use system copy method. Okay. And second one, This is my running system. This is my running system. Both are running systems. Running. Now, I want to copy of this system data into this system. Okay. Now I can perform a backup and restore method. This is system refresh. This is system copy. What is the system copy method? Export and import. Any doubts here? System copy and system refresh? Understand?
Here both are running system means
Sorry?
here two systems are running in system refresh.
Yes.
Means two systems are production systems.
No. Not productions. It may be dev, quality, production, sandbox, anything. These are the existing systems. Now I want to take a copy of one existing system into another existing system. I can perform using system refresh method, that is backup restore method. In this scenario, I have an existing system. Using existing system, I want to build a new system. Then I can go for a system copy method using export import method. Did you got my point?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
So now we will discuss system copy first. Next, after that, system refresh. System copy. System copy means I have a running system and I want to build a new system with copy of this. Correct? What is the method in system copy? We have a export and import. How I can perform? Using SAP INS tool. Okay. In SAP INS tool, we have an option system copy. Right? In that system copy, you have two options. One is source system, another one is target system. Which one is source, which one is target here? Tell me.
Yeah, first one is source and second one is target.
The existing system, this is source, right?
Yeah.
The new system, this is target, correct? Now, in SAP INST, now tell me, whenever I open SAP INST tool, I went to system copy option. Here, I have two options are there. Which option I need to go first? Which option I need to select first? Guess.
Now source.
Source system. See here, what we are performing, export and IN, okay, export and import. What is mean by export and import? Any idea? In naming conversions only the activity is there. You can understand easily. That's why I'm asking you. export and import. Here we have two options are there, source system and target system. First we need to go for a source system option. Okay, after that what we are performing, export and import. What is mean by export and import? Any guesses? Using source and target, export and import.
From source system, we export all the data, and target system, we import the what we export.
Yeah, so that is the system copy method. It's done. From source system, we need to take export. Okay, see here. Here we need to take export. Once we have taken export, then there is no use of source system. Means no need to do anything in source system. Our source system activity is completed once export is completed. This is first. Okay, and come here. Here, how there is no SAP installed in this system, correct? So I want to install my SAP system. How I can install my SAP system? Using SAP INST tool only, correct? Here, go to system copy method in target system. Here, in target system, what I need to select? Target system installation. Okay, this I need to perform in here, target system. This option I need to select, target system installation. Whenever I have selected target system installation, it will ask you same, how you are performing installation steps, SID, instance number, okay, and master password, all. How you are performing installation steps, it will ask you same inputs. Okay, apart from that, it will ask you export location. Where is my export location? What is mean by export location? Here I have a perform export, right? This export was saved into source system OS level. Got my point? I have taken here export. Where it was saved? Ultimately it was saved into source system operating system level, correct? Did you got my point?
Yes.
So take a copy of this export and place into target system at operating system level. Means this is one dump. This is one of the dump, right? So this I need to copy from export from source system to target system at operating system level. I need to save here, correct? At OS level. So here I saved, this export dump has been saved here. For example, I saved in E drive. Okay. Now here it is asking me the export location in target system installation. So here I can give E drive. For example, that export naming conversion is like EXP, means folder name EXP. So I can give a export location. this, and after that it will install. My new system will be installed with the import with the data of source system. With the data of source system. Any doubts here?
Yeah. What is difference between export import and backup restore? Means
Sorry?
what is the difference between export import and backup restore options? Why we need to go with export import for system copy? Why we need to go backup restore for system refresh?
Why in the sense backup restore means here system you see export import means here there is no SAP installed here. First point. Okay. So export import, what happening here using export import method? I am taking a export of source system, means my source system is currently running, means SAP has been installed. Okay. So I have taken an export here and using target system installation, this option target system installation means I am doing a installation in my target system. Okay, so at the same time I am importing whatever export I have taken in a source, that data I am doing importing here. So here at a time I am performing two activities. What are the two activities? One is I'm going to installing a target system. Installation means it's a fresh installation. Got my point? I'm going to install a system. At the same time, with the installation, I'm going to import the data.
Yeah.
That
This
is
target system is a quality system.
sorry,
Target system is quality system.
any system,
Okay.
quality,
Okay.
production, or dev, sandbox, based on your client requirement.
Yeah. If we if we if we do the installation manually in the target system, then what we need to do? Now we are installing newly. Let's assume we have done the installation already before.
See, whenever you performing a fresh installation, what type of softwares you require? Kernel, SWPM, right?
Yeah.
Java software components, JCE policy, exports, correct? Database, client. These are the required whenever I am performing a fresh installation, correct? Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, same softwares we can download here in target system. We can start the installation using SAP INST tool by selecting target system copy, target system installation option. But here exports are not required. This software is not required for this method, export import method. This software no need to download. Why? Because instead of this I am taking this export, source system export I have taken. I am copied to the target system at OS level. At the time of target system installation, it will ask me export location. So I can give this export location where I have saved at operating system level. So instead of exports software, I am using here this export. So this software is not required to download. Did you got my point? Hmm?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Did you got my point? Understand concept?
Yeah. That exports installation step we no need to do here.
Export software, no need to take a copy, no need to download from service marketplace, because instead of this export software I am using this export. Same, the remaining softwares are required because here there is no SAP has been installed, there is no database has been installed. I want to do a fresh installation, so that's why I require all these softwares apart from exports. Okay. This is system copy method using export and import. Okay, it will ask you the installation inputs. What are the inputs you are performing? What are the inputs you are getting at the time of a fresh installation? It will ask you the same inputs. Apart from that, it will ask you the export location. That is export import method. Whenever we are talking about a backup restore means what? One existing system is running. In that existing system, I have taken a backup, and another existing system is there. In that existing system, I am doing a restore. I am doing a restore. Okay. And here, in export import method, whenever you are doing a fresh installation, it will ask you about the SID. It will ask you about the SID, correct? So this SID I can change it to anything based on my requirement. I can give a new SID. I can give new SID because it's a fresh installation. Did you got my point? This is a fresh installation. So at the time of fresh installation, I can give a new SID based on my requirement. Okay. So whenever you are doing a backup restore, you have taken a backup, and whenever you are doing a restore, there is already existing SIDs are there. Source system already one SID will be there. Target system also one SID will be there. So you need to change the SID and do a restore. See here, this is my existing system. This is also existing system. Here SID is PRD, production. Here SID is QAS, quality. Now both are running, both are existing systems. Now I want to perform a production system copy to quality system. Okay. Using which method I am following? What is the method? Backup and restore. Whenever I have taken a backup of production system, whenever I am performing a restore into the production system, into the quality system, okay. So the backup SID, what is that? PRD. So PRD will come to the in QAS, right? So here I need to change the SID PRD to QAS. Otherwise, I will get PRD SID here. Did you got my point? Hmm?
Yes.
So here I need to change my SID, PRD to QAS. Otherwise you will get a PRD SID. I don't want PRD SID because this is already quality system. So I want QAS SID only. Here in this concept, there is no SID anything here in target system. Here I am performing a fresh installation. So I can give SID, anything, any SID based on my requirement. Okay. So that is the difference between backup and restore. Any doubts?
How
What
we
all
will
data
change
will
this name?
be of backup and restore process, and
Sorry?
export, what all data will get copied in the both processes, export, import, and backup, restore.
What are data in the sense? Export means the total system data will be exported and here it will be imported. Okay. Here backup means my database backup. My database backup I'm taking and I'm restoring database restore. You getting my point? Here I have SAP installed, I have SAP installed. I have a data in production and quality, correct? In production, I'm taking a data backup. In quality, I'm restoring data backup restore. I'm importing a data restore, that's it. I'm not taking any SAP installation. I'm not taking any SAP export or something else. Only database backup I am taking here, and that database only I am restoring into quality system. Come to system export import. System export means what? All the system export at SAP level, database level, it's taking export, and here what is performing here? Here I'm doing a fresh installation. SAP installation is going on. After that, what are the export I have taken? That will be import here. Means I'm doing a fresh installation here. There is no SAP. There is no database. There is no data. So first I'm installing SAP. I'm installing database. After that I'm importing the source system data into target system. Got my point? Hmm?
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
asking one more point, Bala? Something you're asking?
Yeah, how we change this system IDs in QA?
Whenever we are performing, see, see, simple. For example, this is a Oracle database, okay? So here we have a control file, correct? Here also we have a control file, correct? And here whenever we take in a backup, here backup log, backup file will be generated. That backup file will be copy from source to target. Here I need to copy that backup file from OS level. In that backup file, I need to change the SID and here generate the control file take a copy of control file and paste into quality system at OS level. Okay, and here also in control file change the SID, and here again you can use that control file at the restore time. Got it? So using that I can do a restore. Did you got my point?
No, I didn't get you.
First of all, here whenever we have taken a backup file will be generated, and here we need to create a control file. These two, where it will generated? In production system. And take backup file and copy into the production system at OS level. In this backup file, change SID. PRD to QS. Okay, and after that create a control file here, copy that control file into the production to quality, and here change the SID, PRD to QS. Then you can do a restore in quality system. Got my point?
No.
So this is the concept of export import method.
Yeah. When we do backup, there will be only one file, or both control file will also come.
Sorry, come again.
When we do backup, backup file and control file both will come.
No. When we are doing a backup, only database backup will be generated. Only backup file will be generated. This is first step. In second step, you need to create a control file here. Create a control file and take a copy of control file from production to quality and change the SID and do some modifications here, because this control file is related to production, not quality. Did you got my point?
Yeah.
I have created a control file in production and I have copy from production to quality. So this is related to production. So I need to do some modifications and I can use that control file in quality system at the time of restore. Both are different. Understand the concept?
Yeah.
So that is backup, restore and system copy. Okay. And tomorrow we'll discuss about the system refresh steps. System refresh steps. Just understand the concept, understand the steps, that's it. It's very easy. Sorry?
Yeah, system copy also we are going to do, sir.
System copy, we will see, if we have a time we will do. It's a installation only. Just I will show you export, how to take a export. I will show you how to take a export, okay? And the target system installation, same, the new system installation, same steps, same method. But only export software is not required there. Here it will ask you the export location. then you can provide the export location. After that, it will ask you the same inputs. Whenever you are doing installation, what are the inputs? It will ask you SID, instance number, master password, user IDs will be created, correct?
Yeah.
So all these related to same new installation steps only. Only export
Yeah.
location only we need to provide extra. Means extra, not extra, it's a different.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
But
So
what
this
I'm asking is practically, can we see this, sir?
practically, I will see if we have a system and if we have a time, we will do practically. I will try to show you.
Okay.
Okay. The main concept is in system refresh, you need to understand the steps because system copy, there is no need to understand anything. Just export and install, that's it. Source
Okay.
system take export, target system do install, that's it. System copy. Okay. But in system refresh, we need to remember some points. Means we need to understand the concept, how we are performing system refresh. What are the steps we need to perform? Okay.